unbelievable sighting for you guys here. There's a whole lot of ellies just playing in the water. We've got youngsters, we've got bulls, we've got females, we've got really such a pretty picture here. There's the two youngsters playing. You can see that big elephant bull we got coming right at us right now. It just moved, moving behind us there. There's probably about maybe 30, 40 elephants here, but they're all, I'm just going to try. Ellen's going to go into a handheld and just show you what's behind us here.
It's going to be a bit bumpy, guys, so bear with me.
Setting up a really cool shot. These guys are right behind us, probably a couple of meters. Seems like a gathering, like just the dudes having a chat. This is just to give a show what's happening behind us. And we've got elephants to the left of us, elephants to the right of us. And
So in the bush right here, I'm just going to go back onto the tripod.
see the youngsters playing at the water now. Just fantastic. They're just having an absolute blast. See those youngsters just pushing each other. Oh, he slipped.
Shame.
I think there goes his dignity and his ego a little bit there. But all this playing just preps him for later when they become a little bit older. We're gonna sit quietly because they're right next to us here. Sit very quietly. It's going to be more close now.
Elephants everywhere here.
Yeah, it's completely surrounded by elephants. We should really look. This guy's just trying to make well, who we are, what we are. I'll let it be known that this guy's probably probably about 1.5 meters behind us here. The best thing to do if you're ever in this situation is sit still, see things go around us now.
Shooting over my shoulder at the moment. Some more coming.
Here comes a whole
Wow.
other family coming here.
Get mounted again here. It's all over the place.
It's just, you know, all these herds are just a whole lot of family groups together. Form these herds and they come together and they feed and they move, find water together and then can have some nice elephants coming through into our picture right now. You might hear some rubbing there from my microphone, but it's just simply because I'm looking to the left and looking to the right and moving quite a bit. Look at that cute little guy there. Because we're just surrounded by elephants, so I have to watch these bulls as well. That's mommy and daughters and granddaughters and aunties and really fantastic. You know, very often these herds just drink maybe for a couple of minutes and then they move off. So they don't spend hours at the water hole. They drink their fill and they move on. Here comes some more. Some more bulls. See the youngsters on the dam wall there. Oh, look at the size of this guy.
I don't even know where to point the camera. There's like so much happening around us.
Well, this guy is impressive. This is one of the biggest
Just
elephants
wait for him to come
I've
into
seen
view. He's
in a
behind
long
us, and
time.
then we'll get the shot of him.
This is an elephant you call Sir. There's more coming behind us. Wow, we're just completely surrounded here.